an airport. So I gotta go drop the trailer in another location, but I gotta drop some stuff off here.
You should check in because the camera's gonna pick it up correctly.
She is left to ships. She brings her food from afar. She also out her hands to the distaff, and her hand holds the spindle.
Shalom, shalom. What's going on, my people, my friends, my cousins, my family? We all family, you know what I mean? But look, it's a beautiful day. You know, of course, we're doing another trucking video, right? Doing another trucking video. So you guys are with me today for sure. We gonna vlog today again. You know, we like to vlog the whole day. So today's not a really busy day, but a decent day. So I'm down here in Miami now. I got a load on here from Miami that I picked up yesterday. I'm bringing it to Bartow, Florida. Drop that off in Bartow, Florida. Then I gotta go back to the office. We got an office in Central Florida. Grab a trailer from there. Then I'm gonna go to Ruskin, Florida. Pick up a load from there. Then I'm gonna bring that back to Central Florida. Not a busy day, but it's now what, 6 something. My day should be done by 3-4 o'clock. Nah, buddy. I'm gonna say about 5. About 5. I guess that is two. Those are that's not those non-truck drivers or not used to the local runs. They might say that's a long day, but it's not. That's an easy day, really. Not doing much. I'm gonna drive maybe 3 hours. No, 4 hours, 3.5, 4 up to Bartow and then to Ruskin. Another hour and a half. But yeah, easy day for me at least. But stay tuned. It's your boy Lando. No, we don't do guns. We deal with peace, baby. Shalom, shalom. Talk to me. People, man, I'm getting hungry, man. I'm supposed to be doing intermittent fast. I got like 2 more hours before I can eat, but not even 2 more hours, hour and a half. I'm feeling super hungry. I think I'm about to stop and get me something to eat. Feeling hungry, man. Feeling hungry. Fight it, Orlando. Fight it. Y'all think I'm gonna win? Hungry though, I know that much. I know I'm hungry. Alright, y'all. Since y'all here with me all day today, y'all rocking with me. So this is my first stop. Actually, this is also where I'm coming back to pick up the trailer, but I'm dropping something off here. Then I'm gonna go somewhere else. It's in the same area. This is an airport. So I gotta go drop the trailer in another location, but I gotta drop some stuff off here first, cause it has to go here. Then I gotta drop the trailer. Then I gotta come back over here and grab another trailer. You get what I'm saying? Stop acting like y'all confused, man. Y'all know what I'm saying. So yeah, that's what we doing. Open up. Trying to hold the camera and open this door at the same time. Oh yeah. It's the airport. small airport, private airport. It used to be an old military base. You look like a military base if you look around. Look. My military folks understand. It looks like it used to be an old military base like in the 60s or something like that, you say. This is where we at. I'm about to back in here. It's a tight dock too, I ain't gonna lie. I hate back in here. It's very tight. If you don't know what you're doing, you go overboard in that little trench right there, which somebody have. And that's how I know it's with somebody who I used to being here. Cause when you backing in, you ain't even looking at the turn where you turn in. You looking in front of you. That's crazy, ain't it? Cause you don't want to fall in that ditch. But yeah, that's what we're doing. I'm about to back in over here. I gotta bring it down here. It's running down. It's a hill. Alright. That's it, people. That's it for right here, but I'm coming right back here in like 10 minutes. Moving fast right now because I feel like I'm running out of time, but I'm not. I just like to be off at a certain time. Good timing. Oh. So yeah, that's what we're doing. I'm gonna drop this trailer, bump over there, come right back, pick up another trailer, load it up with stuff that stop's gonna need, which is supplies to put the products that I pick up from them in. Not for this run, for the next run when I come here. All right, we out of here. Matter of fact, it don't make no sense. I lock back the close the doors, because when I get over there, I gotta do it anyways. It's not far. I'm literally on this. I want to say base. I'm literally on the base. I'm going around the corner. People, trailer drop. Now I gotta go turn in this paperwork, which is the BOL manifest and stuff like that. Yeah, we're on our way. We're on our way, people. It's almost time. Then I gotta run out to Ruskin. I gotta run out to Ruskin and pick that load up. So yeah, it's probably gonna be a 4 o'clock day. Ruskin's not gonna take long though. I already know what they have. Okay. I'm gonna drop this off and go pick up that trailer over there, load that up with supply, and we out. Y'all with me? But that's it. Now what I'm gonna do is secure this load. Kind of hard to secure this load, but we're gonna do the best we can. Best thing to hold this thing, this big thing back, is really like a load bar. But we're gonna try something. Those new things. Pants on the waist. I don't even know how I used to walk like that. But yeah, I was that guy once upon a time, guys. Pants hanging low. I don't even know how I did. Go to work. Yo. I'm out of here, man. Got an hour and a half drive to Rusky. We out. Let's go. How you doing? Bro, they came on the kiosk and then nobody said nothing. That's what I'm talking about right here. Empty.
Update your equipment driver and we'll get you checked in because the camera's going to pick it up correctly.
This where I'm parking. All right, y'all. This where I'm parking at. I can open the back, open the doors, and pull in and out. You know what I mean? Matter of fact, the next clip, I'm done. You know, we're at Amazon. Amazon don't really want no recording in there, so therefore, the next clip, I'll be done. Watch this. Watch how fast I'm about to pull it up. Like, it's gonna be seconds. Y'all with me? Watch this. Just like that, we're done. It's raining, y'all. It's raining outside. Wait, let me go to the next video, because I said next video I'm gonna be done. Well, hold up. Let's go. Look at this, guys. Freaking raining. I want to go to my truck. But yeah, it's raining. I gotta use my phone because I don't have my camera with me. This is my phone recording. How my phone look? How the camera look? Look good? How it look? Look good? Yeah. But I'm done though. Yeah, it's raining outside, man. It's raining. Thundering. Clearly it's thundering. The worst part about when it's raining and you have a van trailer and it's not a roll-up door, you gotta go out in that rain and close that door, which is what I just did. I closed the door. Now I'm about to hit the road, man. It didn't even take me long. The longest part about this job was waiting for them to let me in. I was in the truckers lounge for a little minute. The job took 30 minutes. It's like 3:30. No, it's not even 3:30. Oh, yes it is. Oh, it's 3:47. Okay. I started at what? Like 6:30 or something like that. You know? Easy day, baby. I got an hour and a half drive back. Easy money. I guess this is local. I might go eat some food. I'm about to go check out Chef Keegan because I'm in his area. Go eat some of his food. Go check out his YouTube, y'all. Keegan's Kitchen. Alright, we out of here. We out of here like last year. It's a beautiful day. Ready to go relax and eat some food, man. I'm not gonna lie. Coffee this morning. Coffee is good. Who don't live there? Rainy day. Like how? Who do you use on? Who you talk to on WhatsApp? Yes, people, I'm here. End of the day, I don't even know what time it is. It's about 7 something. I'm in the area. Guess what? I pulled up on the chef. And the chef got some dinner for me. But today definitely was a good day. Appreciate y'all for watching. You know, today really wasn't that. It was an active day. It was a decent day, I must say. It was a decent day, but this is what it's like being a local trucker. Cause some people gonna say like, man, you see all that work you doing? Hey man, this will come with the territory. Either you want to be away from home 3-4 weeks at a time, or you can be home every night. Technically, I can be home every night, but I decided to go up here because I just don't feel like driving home. Well, sometimes I run out of drive time, but I'm still local. But that's it, man. I don't think I'm working too hard. I appreciate everything. I like everything. Appreciate y'all for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Tell a friend, I tell a friend. It's your boy Lando, I am Lando.